In a saucepan over low-medium heat, whisk together chopped white chocolate and a half cup of whole milk, and continue whisking until the white chocolate is melted. The best hot chocolate is made with a high-quality white chocolate. Add the rest of the milk, pumpkin puree, and pumpkin pie spice, and whisk until the mixture is hot. Take a deep breath and let the pumpkin and spice aromas warm your soul. Pour a small amount of white hot chocolate into 2 to 4 glasses or mugs. Add 1 ounce of Kahlua to each glass and stir to combine. Pour more white hot chocolate into each glass to the top. You'll want to start sipping immediately, but be patient, you're not done yet. Your drink needs a gorgeous garnish. A drizzle of caramel sauce and a dash of pumpkin pie spice. Your boozy pumpkin white hot chocolate is ready.